Welcome to Sadie P channel.
Alright, let's play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Meron po tayong 6,908 coins. At yung worth ng play natin is 4,000 coins. May matira pa tayong 2,000 mahigit. So let's play. Looking for our opponent. Sydney Bronze Box. Guest 4381. Which of this is a type of number puzzle? Sudoku. Who would be most likely to literally wear a crown? King Charles. Literally. Who would be the most likely? Ulit. King Charles. Ano yun? Bonus question. Which of this word is derived from the Italian meaning said? Dito. Risotto. Grotto. Dito. Ano ba? Risotto. I don't know. B. Oh. Sayang, tama sana. Dito. Said dito. Yan, we won. I won with my opponent. Keep climbing for better prizes. For $5,000. Let's go. Which game show features that cat's praise? Come on down. The price is right. Family Feud, Wheel of Fortune, let's make a deck. Ano ba yun? Parang the price is right. Oh, it's Wheel of Fortune or ano. Oh, price is right nga. Sayang. Which of the following is not standard cricket equipment? Ball, bat, wicket, tee. Ano bang tawag dun sa pamalo nila? Diba yung tee sa golf yun? Who started in the film Forrest Gump? Tom Hanks, Bruce Willis, Tom Cruise, Denzel Washington. Hindi ko to napanood. Forrest Gump. Okay. This one. A. Tom Hanks daw. Oh, for 8 questions. Who or what is a Pac-Man? Bolivian president, electric razor, New Zone core video game. Which of these characters is associated with the phrase, we seek him here, we seek him there? Raffles, Bill Sykes, Robin Hood, Scarlet. Wala na, 50-50 na lang. Sino doon? Scarlet? Oh my God! Wala na tayong hingian na saklolo, guys. Which of this is a geographic dividing line in the United States? Mason-Dixon line, Grant line, Leeson-Fogson line, Lewis-Clark line. I don't know. Miss A or D? Goodbye! Natalo tayo. Oh, diba? Dalawa lang isip, A or D. Okay. Magkano kayong napanalunan natin? Ayan, titingnan natin kung magkano napanalunan natin sa Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Alright. 3,200. Oh, pwede pa tayo maglaro. May victory box. 130 Fiesta box. Win streaks. It's number 2.